This is a fun course because you get multiple opportunities to think and work like an instructional designer. But I can state without fear of exaggeration that your success in this course is as promising as your ability to write at mastery level. Yes, good scholarly writing is very important in the discussion, in your assignments, and even in your project. And it includes the timely and appropriate use of APA formatting. Certainly by this point, you have at least a suspicion as to whether you are a good mastery level writer or not. Please recall that you are paying for a very good Walden Writing Center, so use it. Even as an editor and an English teacher, I was a frequent visitor to the Walden Writing Center when I was a student here. So go for it.
Created using Powtoon.